This is our present for me and David. I'm the one that picked it out.
Oh, yep. No, he should open mine.
I picked it out. Oh, it's too bad. Open it.
We have a whole
It's
day
cans.
tomorrow to open presents.
Some kind of cans.
Oh.
I'm the one that picked it out.
Armor All.
Watch out, Kate. Don't.
The complete car care kit. Very nice. You know what this means, right?
You get to wash
You get
the
to use
car.
all of
David. Oh, I should open mine.
I picked it
Thank
out.
you.
Thank you. And it was there.
Very nice. Very nice. Thank you.
Yeah. Car pack.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all.
To all, good night.